Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Thabangajigini. Yes, I'm back and I'm better. Emphasis on better because your girl is in a better headspace. Yes, the reason why I was gone for so long is because I was not in a good headspace, but now that I'm better, I'm back with another episode of the Undomesticated Babe Series, and on today's episode we're going to be making Ewa Riro and fried plantains. Ewa Riro is basically stewed beans. Also guys, I need to know if you guys like the angle that I'm using to show you guys me making food and stuff like that, or do you guys want to see me chopping? You want to see the whole action of the chopping and the frying and the cooking and the all of that stuff? Just let me know. But let's get into the video. Okay, so I have already boiled the beans. I'm using brown beans, not the black-eyed beans as they'll normally use. I'm using brown beans because they're much more easier to use. Black-eyed beans, they take longer to boil. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be frying the red stew. And let me tell you about this red stew. This red stew is my gosh. My goodness, this red stew is actually one of my favorite stews. It's a really nice everyday stew. So basically how you would make this stew is you would blend together some red bell peppers alongside tomatoes and onions. You blend that until it's smoother than the skin. Yeah. So after you blend that together, you get some red thingy. Get this red soup like thingy. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't want to spill it because what I'm doing is very dangerous. This red type of thing. Hopefully I can show you guys. Okay, you know what? It's not working. But yeah. Anyways, so you get like this red soup, and that's what we're gonna be doing right now. We're gonna be frying some onions. Okay, so from this close up, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take half an onion. I'm going to chop it up. So what I'm going to be doing with this onion is I'm going to be frying it in some palm oil. This oil is what is staining the containers. The reason why most of our containers are stained. So we're going to be frying some of this palm oil. So I'm going to heat that up on the stove. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of palm oil, and I'm going to let that fry, let that get warmed up. Let me quickly get a tablespoon so that we can fry. Y'all, this thing is kind of like frozen. It's frozen. Like it's frozen. You can see. It's very much frozen. So yeah, I'm gonna scoop 3 tablespoons of that and put that in the patty pots. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm scooping some of the palm oil into tablespoons. While that oil is getting heated, I'm gonna start chopping up the onions. How have you guys been? I know it's like March and the year is going quite fast today. It's really going quite fast. Soon it will be April. How have you guys been? I've been alright, I guess. Okay. Just trying to survive like everybody else. I think at this point everybody's just trying to survive, just trying to make it out in life. And just being alive right now is the most important thing. Because man, it's tense. We're still in a pandemic, can you believe? Still in a pandemic. What the hell? Ooh. This baby is starting to sizzle. Starting to sizzle. Can I put that aside? I don't want the oil to burn. Ooh, child, I don't want the oil to burn. So I'm gonna just dice these onions. I'm gonna be dicing these onions. Tearing up. My goodness, not me tearing up. So these are our diced onions, and we're gonna add that to the palm oil, guys. Not me tearing up. Not me tearing up. Not me tearing up. We're gonna add that into the palm oil. These onions is getting to my eyes. Okay, so the onions are gonna be sauteing in the pot inside the palm oil until they're crystal clear. I know my eyes are watering. It's a big girl like me, I can't take the onions. But I mean, I'm trying. But yeah, so we're gonna let the onions saute until they like crystal clear. Okay, crystal clear. Crystal clear. Okay, I said crystal clear. These are the plantains that we're gonna be frying, guys. Plantains are really nice. If you've never had plantains, yo guys, please go and try plantains. Plantains are really nice. So I'm gonna be slicing these plantains while the onions are sauteing in the pie. One thing about plantains is you don't cut them like how you cut a banana. You cut them diagonally. So I don't know if you guys can see from that angle, or cut them diagonally. So I'm gonna just start by cutting off this part, and then let me just do this so I can remove this part and just peel it off. Yeah. Okay, so you have to cut plantains diagonally, you know, and make sure that your plantains are ripe, because that would be a bummer if they're not ripe. It'd be a big bummer. Okay, so I'm gonna chuck these into this little bowl. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chuck into the little pot. I shouldn't even be doing that. Some of the red stew, the blended red stew into the pot. So I'm gonna let that fry alongside the onions. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some cubes, some knoll cubes into the stew that's frying. I'm gonna add some of these cubes for some seasoning, you know. I'm also gonna add teensy bit of salt, then a bit of paprika, just to bring it some, you know, spice, some heat. Then I'm just gonna mix everything inside. I'm gonna season the plantains with just a tad bit of salt. Next step is I'm gonna add the beans into the stew. So the beans are done cooking. They're done cooking right now. I'm about to fry the plantain. So I'm just gonna pour some oil into the pan. Some oil, like a generous amount of oil, you know, because we don't want these babies to bang. Maybe that's enough. I don't want it to swim. I'm gonna wait for the oil to just get heated. I'm gonna be adding the plantains. These things are sizzling. Like these babies are sizzling. Ewa Riro is literally one of my favorite meals. I love a bean stew. Bean stew is delicious. It's delicious. As in, and when it enters your belly, when you swallow, the thing is really, really nice. I know that you can eat it with the sugary bread, what they call agege bread. Oh yeah, so some people eat it with agege bread. I personally love it with dodo, well, you know, the plantains in a frying behind moi. What else do people eat it with? They also eat it with gari, but honestly, I love it with plantain. So I'm not really nervous about the ultimate taste test because I know that the stew is sweet. Hey, wait, let me check up on these things because I don't want them to burn. So when you fry plantains, you need to make sure that they are golden yellow, not golden brown, golden yellow. There's a difference between golden brown and golden yellow. If your plantains are golden brown, my dear, you need to start all over because you have burnt the plantain. But anyways, it needs to be like golden yellow because that's it being fried to perfection. Plantains are really, really nice, guys. If you haven't tried plantains, I need you to go try plantains because plantains are really, really nice. They are sweet. I just hate it when people call them bananas. Yes, they are part of the banana family, but don't be ignorant and call it a banana. Okay, darling. Oh my gosh, I'm really sad that we can't really jam today. I would have loved to jam because normally when I'm in the kitchen, I prefer music, but I want to make noise. You know what I'm saying? It's late to be nice. There's no reason for me to make noise, and I'm not liking noise as such. You know, I'm growing, I'm getting older, I'm a big girl, I'm a big auntie. I'm making noise anyhow. Like, I'm at the age where noise, like unnecessary noise, I don't need it and I don't like it. So I'm done frying the plantains. This is the whole batch of plantains. Okay, it's time for the ultimate taste test, and you know we have our fave, Buzola. She's about to taste the food. I'm done plating. She's back. Buzola, did you just grow taller than me? Oh no, you didn't.
No, I didn't.
You didn't. Anyway, so Buzola, she's back on my channel for the ultimate taste test. So Buzola, I want to tell you that if anything happens to you, I'm not liable.
Let's get going then.
Let's get going. So this is Ewa Riro. It's bean stew with some dodo, which is plantain. Wait guys, let me show you the plating. Can you please see? This smells so good. But anyways, here you go, my darling. Taste this thing and tell us what you think. Tell us what you think.
It's delicious.
What's delicious?
The
Ewa Riro, the bean stew.
Bean stew is nice.
Really. And that's the one part that I was nervous about. I was like, oh my gosh, what if I don't get the beans too correct? Oh my
The
gosh.
plantain is nice.
Eat it together. Let's see the combo. Why would you take a small piece of plantain? So
nice.
So out of 10, how is the Ewa Riro, the bean stew?
Maybe an 8
out of 10. Any criticism, you know?
I don't have anything, but
Just this. It's
it's
an 8.
an 8 for me.
And the plantain.
The plantain is also an 8.
So all in total, 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. You guys heard it from the babe herself. So I think I did a pretty good job. I'm actually so proud of myself because y'all, I'm gonna be cooking for my kids. If I have kids, you know what I'm saying? Because kids are also a bit annoying, you know what I'm saying? And demanding and expensive. But anyways, let me lock off the video. Anyway, so that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you know what, guys, I just want to say I'm proud of myself because I got an 8 out of 10 for the bean stew, and the bean stew is literally one of my favorite meals. I enjoy Ewa Riro so much as well. My mom's in the background. She's there like, honey, I know you lying. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. You know I like Ewa Riro. Well, you don't know. Okay, now you know. If you don't know, and now you know. Anyway, so I actually enjoy the bean stew, so I wish you guys could taste it, but you guys can't taste it, unfortunately. But as you guys heard from Busala, she said it's nice. I even got an 8 out of 10. So, ooh. Anyway, so it's the end of the video. And before I leave, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, I'm gonna try to be consistent. But you know what? Let me not even say that, because whenever I say that, it's like the consistency just disappear. So I'm gonna try my best. Okay, be patient with me. Okay. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.